I'm back again. I'm at home, so I wanted to let you guys know this too from week before last. New rules for garages, mobile mechanic licensees. So on the 5th of December 2025, the Department of Commerce and Investment, DCI, advises that effective immediately, that would have meant from the 5th of December, all commercial garage licensees are required to operate under the new conditions implemented by the Trade and Business Licensing Board on the 13th of November. So the conditions which apply to new and renewed commercial business licenses were implemented to align with the conditions of mobile auto mechanics and repair services licenses. The conditions are, listen carefully: mechanical work, vehicle storage, and business-related activities should be done within the approved property boundaries, and public roadways, sidewalks, or pedestrian areas should not be obstructed by parking, storing, or conducting work on vehicles outside the licensed premises. So anyone that has a commercial garage needs to conduct their business within the property areas of that location, not on the sidewalks, not outside the gates, not across the street, nothing, but within the licensed premises. When you conduct a business, you have to put the location, and that location is what your business license is approved for. Holders of mobile auto mechanic and repair services licenses are also reminded to comply with the existing terms and conditions of their licenses. These include conducting only administrative tasks such as bookkeeping, telephone calls, emails, fax, etc. from a residence. Complying with the Department of Environmental Health oil guidelines. No on-site vehicle body work. These are for the mobile auto mechanics. You do all of your administrative services from your residence, wherever you put the address on that the business will be conducted for administratively. Where you live, or if you have a little office, that's the only place. Oh, well, it says a residence, so that means where you live for the mobile. My bad. No on-site vehicle body work, spray painting, or mechanical maintenance at a residence. These activities are permitted only at a designated garage. So if you don't have a business license for a certain particular location and you have a business license for a mobile auto mechanic, you cannot do any on-site services at all anywhere else. No display of advertising signs at premises without Central Planning Authority approval. Appropriate license for all employees accordingly. So whichever employees you have working, you have to have the licenses for those persons. No conducting business with customers at the licensee's residence. Mechanical work, vehicle storage, and business-related activities should be done within the approved property boundaries, and public roadways, sideways, or pedestrian areas should not be obstructed by parking, storing, or conducting work on vehicles outside the licensed premises. Failure to comply with the terms and conditions of licenses will result in enforcement action. You know what enforcement action means? They can fine you, they can charge you. You can go to court for these charges, you know. Some of you don't realize that. I'm not sure if just as yet they can give you a ticket and fine you administratively, or they're still taking people to court, but the Department of Commerce and Innovation, all government departments have the ability to either give you an administrative ticket or to charge you and take you to court. It may not mean that you're arrested as though you were a criminal committing a criminal offense, but they can charge you. Planning can charge you, DCI can charge you, immigration, all those departments can charge you and bring you before the courts for some infraction, something that you're doing wrong in against the law, in contravention of the law. So bear that in mind. Watch this video over if you're not sure what it says, but it is a release, new rules for garages and mobile mechanics licensees. Don't conduct business anywhere else outside the terms and conditions of your license. And if anybody complain on you, you're in trouble. That's all I can say. Thank you again for watching this video.